Life can feel like an endless cycle sometimes, caring for others, juggling responsibilities, and wondering where you fit into it all. But here's the thing, you deserve to glow, not just on the outside, but from within too. This isn't about chasing perfection or keeping up with trends. It's about becoming the best version of you. Today, I'm sharing some heartfelt principles to help you transform your daily life into one of meaning, joy, and purpose. Whether you're looking for a fresh start or you just want a little inspiration, this is for you, so let's get started. Every great story starts with a vision, and your life is no different. So this year, let's dream bigger and bolder. What do you want your days to look like? What kind of energy do you want to bring into your home? What experiences make your heart sing? I recently heard about this idea about creating a goal bingo card. And what you do is you take a piece of paper and you divide it into 9 squares. And on each square, you write a goal that you want to achieve. And then you place that piece of paper in a place where you can see it every day, and when you achieve one of the goals, you cross it off like a bingo card. And it's also good to be specific. So instead of saying, I want to be healthier, write, I'm going to walk for 30 minutes every day after breakfast.
Now you can do your bingo card any way you like, but this is how I've set mine up. So here, for example, I wanted to call or message 3 friends I haven't talked to in a while. So I put down 3 circles, and I already contacted someone last week. So I just put a check mark on that circle. And then when I've completed it, I can actually cross off this box and mark it as completed. And then same thing here, I've made a commitment to go to the gym 4 days a week for the next 2 months, and I've already started on that. And this can be a really great way to start a new habit and build momentum up, and hopefully you can keep it up. And then I have a couple things covered up over here because these are things that I have planned for you to enjoy, which will be coming up in the future.
I like this idea because it's a daily reminder of what you're working toward. And maybe some of you like to create a vision board, which is also a great idea. So fill it with words and pictures and colors and images that inspire you. Maybe it's pictures of serene spaces or happy family moments or even a dream vacation. Dreams are lovely, but without a plan, they tend to stay in our heads. So writing down your goals is important because it's like planting a seed. It gives them a space to grow. Break down your goals into small steps and celebrate every one you achieve. And it's also good to remember that your list of goals or your vision board isn't carved in stone. You can adjust it as you change and grow. Vision isn't static, it's alive, just like you are. Now, most of you have heard this before, that you are the sum of the people you spend the most time with. So this year, choose your circle wisely. Surround yourself with people who genuinely care for you and inspire you and uplift you. People who push you to become the best version of yourself. Because just like a fire burns brighter with the right logs, your glow up will flourish with the right people by your side encouraging you. We live in a world that celebrates achievements, degrees, promotions, spotless homes. The truth is, the most meaningful glow-ups aren't about what you achieve, but it's about who you become. Now, as satisfying as it is to focus on checklists, let's focus on character. Are you becoming kinder, more resilient, more patient? Because when you grow internally, everything else in your life naturally aligns. The real glow up happens when who you are becomes better and better. And trust me, she's already amazing. Now, if you manage a home or have a family, you pour a lot into others. But don't forget to pour into yourself as well. Whether it's reading a new book or learning a new skill or taking time for some self-reflection at our thoughts and our behavior. This will make you a better you. And the better you become, the better everything around you becomes as well. And no, watching 3 hours of YouTube tutorials on organizing closets only counts if you actually tackle the closet. Your home is your sanctuary, but let's be real, sometimes it's crazy chaotic too. So let's make our spaces work for us. Start small. Declutter that shelf that you've been meaning to tackle, or swap out those dim bulbs for warm, cozy lighting. And add a little beauty to your daily routine. Add some candles to your dining table, or some fresh flowers from the yard, or even folding your towels hotel style. It's these tiny touches that make your home feel more like a haven and less like a never-ending to-do list. Now, a glow up isn't just about you. It's about everyone in your orbit too. So focus on small, meaningful connections. Make a coffee date with your best friend. Write your spouse a little love note. Even a quick "I appreciate you" text will brighten someone's day. We often wait for those big milestones to celebrate. A new job, a big birthday, or finally decluttering the entire garage. But what about the small victories? Did you finally tackle that junk drawer? Or did you show patience when one of your family members had that big meltdown? Celebrate those things. It's worth a toast. Because life isn't about one big grand achievement. It's about all those small moments of progress that we often overlook. So take a moment to pat yourself on the back even when you make a small step forward, because the journey is just as important as the destination, and when you learn to celebrate the small steps, you can look back and see how far you've come. There is something magical about giving. It doesn't just benefit the person receiving, it actually transforms you. So this year, let's lean into generosity, not just in those grand gestures, but in those small everyday moments. Offer your undivided attention during a conversation, or leave a nice note for your kids. Surprise your neighbor with a plate of cookies or a home-cooked meal. These little acts of giving and kindness don't just brighten someone else's day. They can fill your heart in ways that you can't even imagine. And it's also good to remember that giving doesn't mean forgetting yourself, because you want to be able to pour from a full cup and not an empty one. Let this be the year where we stop waiting for someone else to save the day. And let's face it, sometimes it can be comforting to blame things outside of our control, like the economy. But here's the thing, waiting for external solutions will only keep us stuck. Of course, we can't control everything, but we can be the architect of our lives to a large degree. When we take full responsibility for our lives, we stop waiting for circumstances to change. So instead of thinking, why is this happening to me? Start thinking, what's the opportunity in this? How can I use this? What can I do with this moment? And this is a shift that will transform everything, from how you think to how you manage your home to how you manage your emotions. Thank you so much for sharing this journey with me. Glow ups are not about perfection. They are about progress, purpose, and joy. Every small change you make adds to the masterpiece of your life. Thank you so much for choosing to spend a bit of your day with me. Until next time, keep glowing.